Hey guys, welcome back. I'm going to share how to make a sleepy time roller for your kids. It's definitely been a while since I've done this for you guys. I kind of fell out of the habit with them for a little while, but definitely need to focus on keeping the habit up now that school is truly back in session. So that's what we're doing tonight. My kids are all out, so those little girls need all the sleepy support they can get, especially my youngest. She's a nightmare to get down. So I'm going to be changing up this recipe a little bit to try and help her some more. So we're going to start off with 10 drops of lavender. This is a 10 ml bottle that I found on Amazon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the reason I don't speed these videos up while doing the drops is because I want to be able to have you guys make these with me if you would like. So next up is 10 drops of Peace and Calming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And because my youngest needs a little more support, I'm going to go ahead and add a couple more drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hopefully this will help her. She has the hardest time at going to sleep compared to my oldest one. All right, Valor, we're going to do 10 drops of Valor as well. Unless I'm out. So, since I'm doing this, I'm going to show you guys a neat little trick. Underneath the end of the label is more information and sometimes a little viewing window. And looks like I'm out of Valor in this bottle. So, not a big deal. I'll just move on to the next oil. And that would be 5 drops of cedar wood. So, I know I've got plenty of this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll do a few more. 6, 7, 8. Personally, I find that cedar wood is very calming for me mentally. So it helps me to sleep. So I'm hoping it will help my youngest as well. I'm going to remove that from the fractionated coconut oil that I also found on Amazon. And we're just going to fill her up. And then we're going to pop the roller bottle or top back on, just like that. Oh, a little bit further. There we go. Want to make sure that it's properly seated, otherwise it could leak all over you. And that would not be fun to waste those oils. So we're just gonna rock that back and forth a few times. Use that air bubble to help mix up all your oils. And that is it, you guys. I'm gonna go put this on my youngest. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.